In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a TikTok account connected to a Google account. Even though this account was created using Google, the deletion process is basically the same as for any regular TikTok account. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you know exactly what to expect, and you can follow along on your own device. First, open TikTok and go to your profile dashboard. This is the main profile page where you see your username, profile picture, bio, and your posted videos. Make sure you're logged into the account you actually want to delete, especially if you manage more than one TikTok account. From your profile, look at the left-hand column. There, you'll see an option labeled More. Go ahead and click on More. This opens an additional menu where you can access different settings and controls for your account. At the top of this new menu, click on General. This is where TikTok keeps your basic account and privacy settings. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right place before moving on, because the next steps directly affect your account status. Under the General section, look for an option that says Deactivate or Delete Account and click on it. TikTok separates deactivation from permanent deletion, so this screen is important. Deactivation is usually temporary and lets you come back later, while deletion is permanent. On the next screen, select Delete Account Permanently. This tells TikTok that you don't just want a break from the app, you want the account removed for good. TikTok may show you a quick summary of what this means, like losing access to your videos, likes, and followers. If there's anything you want to keep, consider downloading your data or saving videos before you continue. TikTok will then ask you to choose a reason you're leaving. You'll see a list of options such as privacy concerns, time management, or simply not using the app anymore. Click on the reason that best matches why you're deleting your account. This doesn't change the deletion process. It just helps TikTok understand user feedback. Once you've selected a reason, click on Continue. After this, TikTok may ask you to confirm again or verify your identity, especially for accounts connected through services like Google. Follow any on-screen prompts, and when you confirm, your deletion request will be processed and your account will be scheduled for permanent removal.